Welcome back, friends. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of place values. The concept of place values. The concept of place values and the concept of total value. Total value. So place value and total values. This is the second session in Form 1 mathematics and in our first topic of numbers. Now, if you remember, in the first session, we discussed about the idea of numbers, numerals, and digits. I hope if you understood about the numbers, numerals, and digits, in this session, it will be very easier for you to understand about the place value and the total value. Now, for any number, ambayo tunakuwa tunaandika, let's say we are writing number 189, which we gave as an example in the first session. So for this number, each digit has its own place value or has its own position. Kwa hiyo kwenye hii namba, kila tarakimu, yani digit, ina sehemu yake iliyokaa. Kwa mfano huyu moja ana sehemu yake, 9 ana sehemu yake, 8 ana sehemu yake, na 9 ana sehemu yake. So every digit has its own position in a number. Position pale ilipokaa. So tarakimu zinaweza kukaa kwenye position mbalimbali. Number, they can be in different position. Each digit in a number has a different value depending on its position. So for example, the value of this one is 1000, while this one is 900, this one is 80, and this one is 9. You see? So this number, tumeipataje hii number? Hii number, it is the product of, tulichukua, hii hapa ilikuwa ni 1000, manake ni 1 mara 1000, plus, hii ni 9, times 100, then plus, hii ni 8 times 10, plus 9 times 1. So to get this number is the same as to say 1 mara 1000, 9 mara 100, 8 mara 10 na 9 mara 1. So writing the number in this form, we call this the expanded form. This is known as the expanded form. Expanded form. So if we be asked the question to write the number in its expanded form, hivi ndivyo ambavyo tunakuwa tunaiandika namba kwenye expanded form. Kwa hiyo tunavyokuwa tuna namba yoyote, any number ambayo unaifahamu duniani, for any number which you know in the world, hiyo namba inakuwa zile tarakimu zina place values. Kwa mfano tukiweka 41, tukianzia kulia from right, tunakuwa tuna mamoja. So this is ones. In English we call ones. In Swahili we call mamoja. Mamoja. And in English this 4, it is in place of tens. In English this we are saying it is in tens. But in Swahili we are saying makumi. So I know in your primary you have learned about it. Mamoja, makumi, mamia, maelfu. This is what we are learning at the place value. We are learning at the place value. So for any number, tunakuwa tuna place value of different digits. So for example, kwenye namba 1987. From here, we have the place value of different digits. Place value of 7. The place value of 7 is ones. So that is to say, value of 7, total value of 7 itakuwa sana 7 times 1. Kwa hiyo hii hapa manake ni kwamba kwenye mamoja tunazo 7. Kwenye mamoja moja ziko 7. Moja ziko 7. Lakini kwenye mamia zile 100 zile kwenye mamia ziko 8. Unaona, that is the same as to say 8 times 100. So the place value of 8, it is, this is 10th. So the place value of 8, it is 10th. So tutakuwa tuna mamoja, makumi, mamia, maelfu. So from there tunaweza kusema kwamba kwenye 1987 hii ni ones, hii ni tens, hii ni hundreds, na hii ni thousands. So that's how the things they are going. We have numbers in different place values. So from here ni kwamba we have 7 group of ones, 8 group of tens, 9 group of hundreds, and 1,000 groups of 1 group of thousands. What does it mean? Manake kwenye mamoja tunazo zile moja zile ziko 7. Ndio maana tumesema the total value of this number is the same as you say 1 times 1000 plus 9 times 100 plus 8 times 10 then plus 7 times 1. Unaona? Hizi moja ziko ngapi? Ziko 7. 10 ziko 8. 100 ziko 9 na 1000 iko 1. So we have 7 groups of 1, we have 8 groups of 10, we have 9 groups of 100, and we have 1 group of 1000. So if you add this number, this is the same as to say 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 7. Ukiadd hii number utapata 1987. So tunachokisema ni kwamba tunakuwa tuna expanded form of a number. Tukiandika 1 times 1000 plus 9 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 7 times 1. This is the expanded form of a number. And in this expanded form of a number, tunakuwa tuna number kwenye different place value. So kwenye place value number tunaanzia kulia. From right tunakuwa tuna mamoja, makumi, mamia, maelfu, makumi elfu na kuendelea. That's how we are saying about the place value. Now we have already discussed the concept of place value, and I hope every one of you have already understood what does it mean by the term place value. Now we need to understand what is total value of a number, or what is total value of a digit. Let's take the same example, 1987. Now, from this example, we have total value of every digit. For example, if you are asked, find the total value of 9 from this number. Total value of 9 inakuwa ni ngapi? Total value of 9. So as we have 1987, from here tulisema the expanded form of this number inakuwa ni 1 times 1000 plus 9 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 7 times 1. This is the expanded form of a number. Now, from this expanded form of a number, tunavyokuwa tunasema kuhusu total value manake nini? Kwa mfano a total value of 9 manake ni hii hapa, total value of 9. So total value of 9 itakuwa sana 9 times 100, that is the same as to say 900. This is the total value. Kwa hiyo a total value for a number inaweza kuwa obtained kwa kuchukua ile number times its place value. Number times its place value. For example, tukiwa na namba 256. Total value of 6 itakuwa sana ngapi? Total value of 6, it is 6 times 1, which is equal to 6. But from there, total value of 5 itakuwa ni 5 times 10, which is equal to 50. And the total value of 2 itakuwa ni 2 times 100, which is equal to 200. So if you have already understood about the concept of place value, and that is clear, manake it is very easy for you to understand about this concept of total value. So always in place value, we have a table. Which put the numbers in place value, and this table, in this table of numbers in their place value, we are grouping numbers in different place value. So don't worry, there are different rooms for this table, and you will understand this. So for any number given, inaweza ikawa ina place value mbalimbali. Tukianzia kulia tunaanza na ones, yani mamoja, tunafuata tens, yani makumi, tunafuata hundreds, yani mamia, tunafuata thousands, yani maelfu, thousands. Then tunafuata 10,000s, yani makumi elfu. Then tunafuata baada ya 10,000 tunaenda 100,000s, yani laki. Baada hapo tukitoka 100,000 tunaenda kwenye millions. Tukishatoka 100,000 yani laki tunaenda kwenye millions. From there we have 10 millions. From there we have 100 millions. Unaona? After 100 millions we have billions. After billions we have 10 millions. We have 100 billions. 10 billions, 100 billions. So for any number, labda tukipewa namba kama 256, or let's say we are given a number 1987. So putting this in place value, maana yake utaweka 7 hapa, 8 hapa, 9 hapa, 1 hapa. Kwa hiyo tayari moja iko kwenye thousands, iko kwenye hundreds, iko kwenye tens, iko kwenye ones. So total value itakuwa ni 1 times 1000, 9 times 100, 8 times tens, 7 times ones. Kwa hiyo this is the table which summarizes the total value, summarizes the place value of different numbers. Place value of different numbers is summarized by this table. Now this marks the end of our session, and in the next session we'll be discussing about the smallest and the greatest possible numbers from a given number of digits, the smallest and the greatest possible numbers. Thank you, and later wish you nice studies.